What if we will have chance to create better future for us and next generations? What if our creativity, open-minding and new approaches could open for us endless opportunities? What if we can change our future by applying innovations and emerging technologies into existing and new industries to build and rebuild it into new, more efficient, green and sustainable way? What if we can leave our heritage to next generations in more clean and green environment rather we got it from previous generations? What if we can apply capital, innovations, political influence and our collective efforts to transform global economy into green, cycling world economy? Even if it more challenging rather we are expecting, anyway we should try it. Setcoin Group. ESG and Impact Investments, which transform our future.